wonderful joy in life. Today I will be showing you how to feed a bearded dragon. The guinea pig, so to speak, is my favorite beardie, Khaleesi. For those that do not know, Khaleesi got her name from Game of Thrones. Khaleesi is almost a year old, so she has slowed down on her eating quite a bit, which is a big pocket saver. I still like to offer her a variety of foods that I know she loves. First, I like to start out with a salad. I have on hand bok choy and cilantro. I like to keep cilantro because it is her favorite. Beardies can eat almost all greens, so I like to change it up for her. Shred your bok choy. And de-stem your cilantro. Using a knife, mince the greens together. I like to mince them a little smaller for her, but she can eat pieces that are the size of her head. After you had it cut to your liking, I put it on a little plate. Sprinkle a little calcium on, and lastly, you would sprinkle it with water. Now on to step 2 of dragon feeding. Khaleesi loves mushed banana, so I take about a half a banana and put it in a bowl. I smash it with a fork so there's no big chunks in it. I'll be able to hand the banana straight to her. Now we take the banana and salad to Khaleesi. I will feed her bites of banana now, and she will eat her salad later. Or no banana today. Now the final step to feeding my pet, mealworms and crickets. I feed her these until she's had enough. With Khaleesi, that can be a while. I think the worms are her favorite, mostly because she is so spoiled and they don't run from her.
I don't think she's hungry. Or she's camera shy.
Let's put her down on the bottom and see if she'll eat her worms. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning how to feed a bearded dragon with Khaleesi and I. Have a good day.